Hey guys, I just wanted to quickly introduce to you and show you your super duper big kid math book. So this is what our math book looks like, okay? We have a robot, an owl, and a cactus. It's really fun. We have lots of fun characters in it. What we did on Wednesday and on Thursday is we did pages 5 through 12. 5 through 12. So this is what we're doing right now. Right now we're just counting, okay? So all you're gonna do is just follow the instructions on the page, and since you don't have counters, you can draw circles instead of using an actual counter, or if you have something at home, you can use anything for a counter. You can use, you know, a marker and a pen, or I have this little thing and a ponytail holder. Whatever you want to use, that's fine. For this page and also for page 9. Right now I'm talking to my parents about this. If you turn your page to page 6, what you're gonna do is you're going to count how many worms there are, and then you're going to color in the boxes. So right here they've done this one for you. How many worms are there? 1, 2. We're gonna color in 2 boxes. Right here, number 2, how many worms are there? There's 1. So how many boxes are you gonna color in? 1. Now, how do we know that there's 2 worms and that there's 1 worm? Well, we counted, right? And we know how to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the last number that I said, 4, that's how many there are. So in this case, there are 2 worms. 1, 2. The last number is a 2, so there's 2 worms. Now what about up here? How many worms are there? 1, 2, 3. The last number that I said was 3, so we have 3 worms, okay? So you're going to complete, that ends on page 7, and then pages 9 through 12. This is just saying that counting, you can count in different orders. So let's look at this one. How many birds are there? 1, 2, 3. There's 3. Now look right here. How many birds are there? 1, 2, 3. Both sets have 3 birds in them, but this one kind of looks like a V, and this one kind of looks like a sideways V, right? But it's still 3. So what this is trying to show you is that it doesn't matter if you have a set going down or across or diagonal, it will still be the same. So look at this one. Let's see. We have 3. 1, 2, 3. That is in a diagonal. It's still 3 birds though, isn't it? This is a better example. There's 3 birds in a nest. Okay, we see that? 3 birds going across, and then 3 birds going in a little V, and then 3 birds going in a kind of an upside down V. There's still 3 birds in the nest, all right? So these counters, which like I said, you don't have to have counters. We'll have counters in school, but you might not have counters at home. This counter represents this bird, this counter represents this bird, and then this counter represents this bird. So we have 3 counters. And look at over here how the boy did his counters. It's still how many? 3. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. And parents, if you want to get them practicing counting, they can count anything. You can count the number of French fries on your plate at home, or you can count the number of dinosaurs or toys that you might have in your room. You can count anything and everything. And that's where we are right now. So we'll be back later with another video on our next lesson. Bye.